Greetings. In this video, I am going to show the technique of endoscopic repair of dural tear. This 40-year-old gentleman presented with acute and chronic right lower limb radiculopathy, and you can see in MRI there is a tight lateral stenosis. The dural tear was encountered while removing the ligamentum flavum, and here you can see the dural tear with the nerve roots trying to pop out. The dural tear should be inspected thoroughly and it should be delineated with the dissector trying to push the nerve roots inside and delineating the dural rent over here. The nerve roots are trying to come out, but with the water irrigation system that is preventing the roots to come out. With the help of disc forceps, tacocil is placed over the dura, and then the dissector is introduced and the tacocil is pushed inside the dural defect, which you can see it clearly. So the nerve roots are also safeguarded. Max More interlaminar endoscope has 8 mm diameter and working channel of 5.5 mm diameter. This can allow a routine 5 mm laparoscopic hemostatic clip applicator. Using the laparoscopic hemostatic clip applicator, the clips are being placed to close the dural defect. Here you can see the dural defect is appropriately closed with the clips. Once the repair is done, the rest of the procedure is continued as usual. Here you can see with the radio frequency ligamentum flavum is being shrunken, and then with the help of the dissector the discectomy is being proceeded. Here you can see the hard disc fragments which are pressing the nerve roots, which may be a cause of the dural tear, as it was a very tight stenosis. Sometimes it can be anticipated, sometimes we may not anticipate the dural tears. The hard annulus is being broken with the nerve root retractor and the dissector, and the disc fragments are being delivered with the punches. And with the help of the radio frequency, the disc is shrunken and the nerve roots are decompressed adequately. At the end of the procedure, Valsalva is given and checked for any further leakage or anything. And this is the final inspection of the repair, and this is the incision mark. My regards to my teacher, my mentor, my guru, Dr. Lim. Thank you.